Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will do a revision of lesson number 5 of Maths, comparing numbers. We have already learnt about less and more and increasing and decreasing order. So let's do a revision of it. Less means a smaller number, quantity or a smaller amount. More means a bigger number, quantity or a bigger amount. For example, in the first box, we see only 1 and 2 tomatoes. While in the second box, we see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tomatoes. Number 2 is smaller than 5. So this is less and this is more. Now we will do one activity. Here we have to tick the box under the picture having more children. In the first picture we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 children. While in the second box we see only 1 and 2 children. Number 5 is bigger than 2. Here we have to tick the box with more children. So we will put a tick mark over here. Our next topic, increasing and decreasing order. Numbers are said to be in increasing order when they are arranged from the smallest to the biggest number. Here, the number of apples goes on increasing. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, the apples are arranged in an increasing order. Numbers are said to be in decreasing order when they are arranged from the biggest to the smallest number. Here, the number of mangoes goes on decreasing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. So, the mangoes are arranged in decreasing order. Students, we will do one activity now. Here we have to write the numbers which are in decreasing order. The number given is 7. Here you have to write the numbers which are smaller than 7. So the number which is smaller than 7 is 6. The number which is smaller than 6 is 5. The number which is smaller than 5 is 4. And the number which is smaller than 4 is 3. Next question. Here you have to write the numbers in increasing order. The given number is 5. We have to write the numbers which are bigger than 5. So, the number which is bigger than 5 is 6. The number which is bigger than 6 is 7. The number which is bigger than 7 is 8. And the number which is bigger than 8 is 9. Students, we will do another activity now. Here, Pooja is putting stickers in a book. She puts 1 sticker on Monday, 2 stickers on Tuesday, 3 stickers on Wednesday, 4 stickers on Thursday and 5 stickers on Friday. How many stickers will Pooja put on Sunday? So, the answer will be Pooja puts 1 sticker on Monday, 2 stickers on Tuesday, 3 stickers on Wednesday, 4 stickers on Thursday, 5 stickers on Friday. Students, what comes after 5? 6. So she puts 6 stickers on Saturday. And what comes after 6? 7. So she puts 7 stickers on Sunday. So the answer is Pooja puts 7 stickers on Sunday. Students, we can see that the number of stickers put by Pooja go on increasing every day. So the stickers are in increasing order. Students, I hope you have understood about less and more and increasing and decreasing order. Thank you.